Hold on to your seats, tech lovers, because we have some sizzling insider drama straight from the Samsung Galaxy camp. If you've been keeping up, you already know about the jaw-dropping leaks of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy S25 Plus, thanks to the Hall of Fame leaker Evan Blass. But wait, there's more. Alongside these stunning images, Evan also dropped a bombshell, a leaked promotional poster revealing that Samsung's first Unpacked event for 2025 is locked in for January 22nd. Mark your calendars, because that's when the much-anticipated Galaxy S25 series is set to take the stage. Here's where it gets wild. While Evan's leaks caused a stir, another leak by Jukan Losriv involving live images of the Galaxy S25 Plus led to a dramatic fallout. Multiple Samsung employees got fired. Wondering why leaked images of unannounced devices often have parts taped over? It's not for aesthetics, it's to mask unique identification numbers that could blow the leaker's cover. Unfortunately for the Samsung insiders involved in this particular leak, the images didn't hide the device ID. Samsung swiftly tracked down the culprits, leaving them with one less job and a whole lot of regret. Tech journalist Max Jambor added fuel to the fire, sharing another image that showcased those fatal identification numbers. And guess what? All this drama unfolded just a day before Evan Blass dropped his own bombshell leaks. Coincidence? Maybe. But the timing couldn't be more suspicious. Here's the twist. While leaks generate buzz for upcoming gadgets, companies like Samsung hate them. Why? Because they steal the thunder from their meticulously planned launch events, turning surprises into spoilers. For brands like Samsung, controlling the narrative is everything. Stay tuned, because with this level of drama, the Galaxy S25 launch is shaping up to be one for the books. What do you think of the leaks? Are they harmless hype, or do they kill the magic of a big reveal? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out. Now let's talk about some previous Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks. If you are a regular viewer, you can skip this video here, and if you are new here, watch this video till the end. Attention Galaxy fans, the colors for Samsung's Galaxy S25 series just dropped, and they're nothing short of breathtaking. Ready to see what shades will make your next phone pop? Alright folks, it's that time of the year again. I'm talking about Galaxy S series leak season. Just yesterday, a leaked Unpacked teaser confirmed the big day, January 22, 2025. Mark your calendars, because that's when Samsung will officially unveil its Galaxy S25 lineup. But hold on, the excitement doesn't stop there. A new leak from the legendary Evan Blass has revealed what we've all been waiting for, the official colors of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Let's dive in. Galaxy S25 and its S25 Plus colors: blue-black, coral red, AC blue, mint, navy, pink, gold, silver shadow. Galaxy S25 Ultra colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium jade green, titanium jet black, titanium pink gold, titanium silver blue, titanium white silver. At first glance, this lineup might seem massive, but as usual, some of these shades will likely be exclusive to Samsung.com. For example, the stunning pink gold, jade green, and jet black. Variants are rumored to be online exclusives, while the rest could form the main color palette for retail. Interestingly, Samsung is going all in on blue this year with 3 different hues for the S25 and S25 Plus: icy blue, blue-black, and navy. But there's a catch: no violet in sight. It seems Samsung is leaning into trendy blues for 2025. As for the previously rumored sparkling colors like sparkling green and sparkling blue, they're nowhere to be found in this latest leak. It seems Samsung has opted for subtler, classic names this time around. What about the devices themselves? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stay true to its premium roots with a titanium build, integrated S Pen, and flat edges. It's set to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite and a camera system that builds on the incredible performance of its predecessor. With the leaks piling up and a launch just a month away, excitement for the Galaxy S25 series is through the roof. Whether it's the bold new colors, cutting-edge hardware, or Samsung's knack for surprises, these phones are shaping up to be the talk of 2025. Which color has your heart? Are you Team Titanium or loving the fresh blue vibes? Let us know in the comments. We want to hear your take. Fresh renders of the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra just dropped, giving us an exciting glimpse at what Samsung's next big flagships might look like. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series launch is just around the corner, and the leaks are coming hot. The latest scoop? A new set of renders showcasing the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced online courtesy of the reliable Evan Blass. These renders, while not the highest resolution, give us what looks like official marketing material for these devices. Think of them as a sneak peek into Samsung's polished promotional content, just in a more modest form. This isn't the first time we've seen the Galaxy S25 series in leaks, though. Earlier today, alleged hands-on images of the Galaxy S25 Plus made the rounds, and both these new renders and the older leaks align with the CAD renders that surfaced earlier this year. The renders reveal subtle but stylish details about the Galaxy S25 Plus and Ultra. The wallpapers on both devices stand out, offering a sneak peek into Samsung's creative spin for this generation. The Galaxy S25 Plus sports a vibrant wallpaper similar to earlier leaks, which some suggest is Samsung's take on Apple's dynamic island concept. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, features a sophisticated brownish-gold backdrop with an elegant S woven into the design. There's also a glimpse of what seems to be the latest version of One UI, likely tailored for these devices. While there aren't many drastic changes visible compared to the Galaxy S24 series, a sleek design and familiar rounded corners of the Ultra hint at Samsung's commitment to blending innovation with user-favorite aesthetics. More high-res leaks on the horizon. Although these renders don't provide crystal-clear details, they solidify many of the design rumors we've seen so far, like the rounded edges on the Ultra model. With just weeks to go before the official announcement, higher-resolution leaks are almost inevitable, and they're bound to reveal even more about what Samsung has in store. Stay tuned, because the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be another blockbuster from Samsung. Which model are you most excited about? The sleek Galaxy S25 Plus or the powerhouse Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments. We've seen countless leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but today's might just be the most credible one yet, thanks to a major case manufacturer. Leaker Jukan Lusriv has shared a picture of a Spigen case designed for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and given Spigen's close ties with Samsung, it's likely the company has been briefed on the phone's design well ahead of its official launch. This latest image lines up with previous leaks. The quad-lens camera arrangement mirrors the one on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with the only noticeable change being slightly more rounded corners. While the design isn't groundbreaking after all, we only get a glimpse of the phone's back. It adds more weight to the idea that previous leaks were on point. While Spigen is a trusted brand, there's always a chance this could be a fake. However, given Jukan Lusriv's solid track record for accurate leaks, it's highly unlikely that this image is anything but the real deal. Leaked accessory images reveal a circular pattern on the Galaxy S25 case labeled MagFit for MagSafe, indicating support for MagSafe-style wireless charging. But there's a catch. The Galaxy S25 series won't have built-in magnets, meaning no magnetic power profile or native support for Q2 wireless charging. Instead, users will need to buy a special case to enjoy magnetic wireless charging. Meanwhile, wired charging speeds remain steady, with the Galaxy S25 supporting 25 watt and the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra delivering 45 watt for those who crave faster charging. Stay tuned as we unpack more details on Samsung's flagship lineup. Bigger RAM, bigger power. In other S25 news, leaker YF Bishik HD has revealed that both the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will come with a hopping 12 gigs of RAM in their base models, which is a significant upgrade from the 8 gigs offered in the Galaxy S24. This isn't the first time we've heard this rumor. Other sources have hinted at the same, but with multiple confirmations, it's looking more and more likely to be true. You might not have to wait long for official confirmation. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.